Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible video. Today, we're going on a journey to explore something truly breathtaking, the best and most spectacular shows ever created. Let's get started. What makes a show truly great? Is it the scale, the emotion, the technical wizardry? A great show is so much more than just entertainment. It's a perfect storm of meticulous planning, boundless creativity, flawless timing, and raw emotion, all coming together in one unforgettable experience. Some shows are so powerful, they become iconic moments in human history, etched into our collective memory forever. First up, let's talk about the grandest stage of all, the Olympic opening ceremonies. These are, without a doubt, among the largest and most complex live shows ever conceived. Imagine thousands of performers moving in perfect, breathtaking synchronization, where every single second is planned down to the millisecond. It's a celebration of human potential and global unity. One of the most legendary examples has to be the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Who could forget the sight of 2008 drummers pounding out a rhythm that shook the world? The ceremony was a masterclass in coordination, using massive light effects, intricate choreography, and a powerful narrative that took us through 5,000 years of Chinese history. Then there's the 2012 London Olympics, which took a completely different, yet equally brilliant, approach. Directed by Danny Boyle, it was a quirky, heartfelt, and spectacular celebration of British culture. From the Industrial Revolution to James Bond jumping out of a helicopter with the Queen. It mixed humor, music, and cutting-edge technology into a seamless and unforgettable story. These ceremonies prove that sports can be a stage for the world's most ambitious storytelling. Next, we venture into a world of pure imagination with Cirque du Soleil. This company didn't just join the circus, it reinvented it. Cirque du Soleil threw out the old rulebook. There are no animal acts, no traditional big-top cliches. Instead, what you get is a mesmerizing blend of human skill, artistry, and boundless creativity. Each performance is a self-contained universe designed to transport you somewhere magical. A prime example is their iconic Las Vegas show, Oh. The name itself is a play on the French word for water, eau, and for good reason. The stage is a massive pool of water that transforms in an instant, with acrobats and synchronized swimmers performing breathtaking feats both above and within it. It's a fluid, dreamlike spectacle. Then there's Ka, another Vegas marvel that defies gravity. The entire stage is a colossal rotating platform that can tilt vertically, creating a dynamic, ever-changing battlefield for the performers. Watching a Cirque du Soleil show isn't just seeing a performance. It's like stepping through a portal into another dimension where the laws of physics seem to bend to human will. Now, let us turn our attention to one of the most watched television events on the planet, the Super Bowl halftime show. This isn't just a concert, it's a cultural phenomenon. Artists have a mere 12 to 14 minutes to capture the attention of over 100 million people and deliver a flawless, high-energy performance. The pressure is immense, but the results can be legendary. The game changer was Michael Jackson's 1993 halftime show. Before him, halftime was often marching bands and minor acts. But MJ changed everything. He stood motionless on stage for nearly 2 minutes, building unprecedented anticipation before launching into a medley of his greatest hits. He set a new standard for spectacle and star power that every artist since has tried to match. Another unforgettable moment was Prince's 2007 performance in Miami. A torrential downpour started right as he took the stage. Instead of panicking, Prince embraced it. He delivered a blistering guitar solo during Purple Rain, in the actual rain, creating one of the most iconic and emotionally charged moments in music history. These shows are a perfect fusion of music, immense pressure, and a global spotlight. From the stage to the sky, our next category is a modern Marvel large-scale drone light shows. This is where technology becomes pure visual poetry. Forget fireworks. Imagine hundreds, or even thousands, of synchronized drones, each with a programmable LED light, painting moving pictures across the night sky. The creative possibilities are truly infinite. One of the most famous examples was the show in Shanghai, where a fleet of drones created stunning three-dimensional animations. They formed everything from running animals to a map of China to a giant walking human figure, all moving with incredible fluidity. These drone shows have also become a staple of major global events, like Olympic ceremonies and national celebrations. We've seen them form fluttering flags, detailed portraits, and complex animations, all perfectly synchronized to music. It's a stunning example of how technology can be harnessed to create a new form of large-scale public art, turning the dark sky into a limitless digital canvas. Finally, no list of spectacular shows would be complete without a trip to the entertainment capital of the world. Las Vegas. The city was practically built on the idea of live spectacle. Every show on the Strip is engineered for maximum impact, designed to leave you speechless night after night. Take, for example, the legendary illusionist David Copperfield. For decades, he has been pushing the boundaries of what's possible on a stage. He's made the Statue of Liberty disappear and flown over the Grand Canyon. His live shows continue to mystify audiences with large-scale illusions where massive objects appear, vanish, and transform right before your eyes. It's a masterclass in misdirection and stagecraft. Another iconic Vegas production is the Blue Man Group. This show is a wild, unclassifiable mix of percussive music played on custom instruments, mind-bending visual effects, and a healthy dose of interactive comedy. They don't speak a word, yet they connect with the audience through rhythm, color, and pure, unadulterated fun. Las Vegas shows are the pinnacle of polished, repeatable spectacle, designed to deliver awe and wonder every single time the curtain rises. So why do these shows matter so much? Because at their core, they are about shared experience. Great shows have the power to bring people together, to create a sense of collective wonder that transcends culture, language, and background. They push the boundaries of creativity and technology, inspiring artists, engineers, and dreamers to ask, what's next? They forge memories that last a lifetime, becoming cultural touchstones that we talk about for years. A truly powerful show isn't just something you watch, it's something you feel, and it stays with you long after the final bow. If you enjoyed this look at the world's most incredible shows, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which show impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.